When we choose electric, we're protecting the most vulnerable members of our communities, our children, our grandparents, and those with health conditions who need clean air the most. But what about the electricity? Yes, power stations can pollute, but it's easier to control emissions from a few big plants than millions of cars. Centralized power generation means we can use advanced technology to capture and reduce emissions at the source. Plus, more of our electricity is coming from renewables like wind and solar every year. The cleaner our energy sources become, the cleaner every electric car on the road gets, even if you bought your car years ago. As the grid gets greener, so do electric cars. Charging up with renewable energy means your daily commute can be powered by the sun or the wind, not fossil fuels. The result? Cleaner air, healthier cities, and a win-win for everyone. Less pollution means more time outdoors, safer exercise, and a more vibrant city life. Switching to electric is a simple, powerful way to make a difference. Every driver who chooses electric helps push us closer to a future where clean air is the norm, not the exception. It's a change you can feel every time you breathe. Cleaner air isn't just an idea, it's something you notice in your lungs, your energy, and your overall well-being. The cleaner the grid, the cleaner your drive. As technology advances and renewables expand, electric cars will only get greener over time. Electric cars are leading the way to a healthier future. They're not just a trend, they're a crucial step towards cities and communities where everyone can thrive. No fumes, no fuss, just progress. Electric cars are proof that we can innovate for the better, making our world cleaner and more sustainable. That's the real power of electric. Cleaner air, quieter streets, and a brighter future for everyone.